My name is Christoph Ackermann. I'm an architect principal at BDP. When we visited the site at the outset, it was overgrown and it was very difficult to get onto the site itself. But immediately we kind of noticed, because of the topography and the location it was on the Forest Hill campus, that was a unique opportunity. So the triangular building is a response to the site constraints. And if you look at the site, you will see that it is triangular because the site gets cut in half by the burn. But the other kind of concept behind it was that what we wanted to do is we wanted to group all the services and shared accommodation in the center of the floor plan. And that allows us to wrap all the accommodation and the labs around the perimeter, and everybody gets great views and daylight, which is so important for a good workplace. I think the key moment for us was when the steelwork was erected and you got a real sense of the scale and the presence of the building. The BioHub is an incubator building, and as such it needs to be able to adopt what the tenants need. We have 2 floors that are completely shell and core, and they can be fitted out to suit exactly the tenant requirements. And that's the important part of the BioHub. So the building itself has a fabric first approach, which means that the envelope and the thermal insulation of the envelope exceeds the current standards. And that means that the building is actually ready for a net zero in use, which is a fantastic kind of achievement. We have worked hard to try to create collaborative spaces where the researchers can come together. And the idea there is that there is this element of chance encounter where researchers speak to each other. And the key is to bring people together. And that's where the magic happens. And I think the word opportunity is an important one, because the building is an opportunity and an enabler for the life sciences to grow in Scotland and in Aberdeen.